This is the Fisher-Price Brilliant Basic Stack and Roll Cups. It did come with a little ball that went on top, but we lost that. It comes with these neat numbers. You have these numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Alright. Back up. Back up so they can see. You want to take them all apart? And we'll show how they stack together. So we can also make rolly balls, and you can make, yeah, we can also make rolling balls, and the colors kind of match up. Rolly balls, rolly cups. So you can make these 5 balls, or you can actually stack them inside of each other. Just a 1 ball. You gonna do that? You wanna stack them all? Start with this one. And put these 2 together. Oh, you want to stack them all? Alright, stack them like this then. Start with number 1. They also each have a shape associated with them. So this one has triangles. And the one that it matches up with also has triangles. And these 2 have plus symbols. These 2 have diamonds, circles, and stars. Rolly cup balls.
Rolly cup does.
You gonna help Mommy put them together? Could also stack other colors together. I don't know. I'm going to put extra ball at the end, doing it this way. There we go. 7, 8. 6. Alright, quicks. 5 and 6. 4 and 5. 4 and 3. 3 and 2. And 1 and 2. Say bye-bye, YouTube.